Benefits of cloves for men, unveiling the secrets of energy boosting. Hello, viewers. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of a spice that not only enhances your health, but also provides an extra boost of energy, especially tailored for men. Yes, we're talking about the benefits of cloves, commonly known as long. 1. Energy boosting secrets of cloves. Cloves, scientifically referred to as Syzygium aromaticum, are not just a culinary delight, they also play a crucial role in boosting your energy levels. The antioxidants and essential nutrients present in cloves refresh your body, leaving you feeling energetic throughout the day. T2. Stamina building with cloves. Cloves contain compounds that improve blood circulation, enhancing stamina. This, in turn, helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, enabling better performance during workouts. 3. Mental alertness and focus. The consumption of cloves keeps your brain active. The nutrients in cloves nourish your brain cells, promoting concentration and maintaining mental alertness. If you're looking to enhance your cognitive abilities, cloves might be the secret ingredient you need. 4. Stress reduction and mood enhancement. Cloves contribute to stress reduction. Their aromatic properties induce relaxation and uplift your mood, helping you face daily challenges with a positive mindset. 1. Timing. Cloves can be consumed at any time. They can be included in your meals or added to tea. Having cloves during breakfast is also a good idea due to its metabolism boosting and energy enhancing effects. 2. Quantity. It is essential to use cloves in moderation. Excessive consumption can have adverse effects. Generally, 2 to 3 cloves per day are considered suitable for maintaining good health. 3. Who can consume? Children. Cloves can be included in the diet of children, but the quantity should be monitored. Adult women. Cloves can benefit adult women, especially in boosting energy levels. Men. Cloves may contribute to enhancing male vitality. Elderly. The antioxidants in cloves can be beneficial for the elderly, helping to counteract the effects of aging. 4. How to consume. Cloves can be added to meals during cooking or used as a spice. Ground cloves can be added to tea for consumption. Some people chew cloves directly, but moderation is key. Conclusion. So, friends, these are just a few benefits of incorporating cloves into your routine, specifically for boosting male vitality and energy. Not only does it improve your overall health, but it also provides you with the stamina to tackle every step of your journey. We hope you've enjoyed the video and found the information valuable. Note: always consult with your doctor or nutritionist, especially if you have any specific health conditions or are taking medications. Individual body types vary, and a personalized approach is recommended when incorporating cloves into your routine. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.